In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download TikTok app. We're keeping this simple and secure by using the Microsoft Store, which is the official place to get apps on Windows. This helps you avoid unsafe downloads and ensures you're getting the genuine app. First, open the Microsoft Store. On most Windows devices, you'll find the icon on your taskbar, and it's also available from the Start menu if you search for Microsoft Store. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection, the home page might take a few seconds to populate. If the store looks a little different on your device, that's okay. Windows updates can slightly change its appearance, but the process is the same. Next, look for the search bar at the top of the Microsoft Store window. Click into it and type TikTok. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Take a moment to make sure you spell it correctly and avoid any look-alike names. Using the search bar helps you get straight to the official listing without scrolling through unrelated apps. Now check the results for the official TikTok app. You're looking for the recognizable TikTok logo and a listing that clearly indicates it's the legitimate app. The official publisher name and a verified look to the listing are good signs you found the right one. You can also glance at the ratings and description to confirm it matches what you expect from the real app. If you don't see it right away, it could be due to regional availability or device compatibility, so don't worry if it doesn't appear for you just yet. If the official TikTok app is available, click Install to download the app. The button is usually visible right on the app card or after you open the app's page in the store. Once you click Install, the Microsoft Store will begin downloading and setting up the app for you. You'll see a progress indicator so you know it's working. A stable internet connection helps this go smoothly, and depending on your settings, you might be prompted to confirm your Microsoft account before the download continues. That's normal for store apps and is simply part of the secure installation process. After the installation finishes, the store will show that it's complete. You'll typically see an option to open the app right away, and the app will also be added to your Start menu for easy access in the future. That's it. Opening the Microsoft Store, searching for TikTok, confirming the official app, and clicking Install is all you need to get TikTok safely on your Windows device.